What God cannot do,
does not exist.
see them. Go club with girl and I go do things, smoke shisha, do everything, come back house. She go use her mouth to do things, finish. She go say, "Man, you sleep small." Open eye, the girl need to sleep. Why are you not sleeping? And she go say, "It's almost my prayer time." With this same mouth. And then for morning, they will come write for WhatsApp, "The Lord has finally settled me and my family." What God cannot do. After 20 minutes, that same girl will write that thing because they tell you, "Can I get 20,000 from you?" You wait, God just settle you and your family. I won't get and give you. They do it, they ask people questions, they ask and one, he resign. Can they say on a serious note, that is, you and who they do class lesson, who they follow you write notes. I'm not the one. We know you're not the one. You're Nedu. We have very dark man. We have the one. The next thing I say, Chika Ike do it. If they use it for girls play, come be girl, we get Ike for her name. You know what Ike? Power. If you not done it, you know she go there. You know, I'm not be Nollywood actor. You know, no say no every time you go be lead role. You go be supporting leads. Na Chika Ike be. You know, say for Regina, their house now, if they want to do morning devotion, anybody will just start that song. Ike, they go say, "Stop that rubbish song." No Ike in this house.
Because this country don't ready. Country where they're supposed to share. This country are really laughing talk. Because country where they're supposed to share mad people for different country. They share for only Nigeria. Only we country, we get very dark man, Portable, Bobrisky, Odumeje. Inside one country, all of us want to wear. Only for this country, basically, go carry the English, set up the shout, don't play. Or you gonna learn? You gonna learn the hard way. This same country, we not do Mother's Day last year because Mommy of Lagos go jail. Everybody now another person with the craze for this country. Now if you come this show now, tell M.O.P. I want to talk to your head. Inside my head. That won't go. Another crazy guy for this country. Now DJ Chicken. If that guy come here now, he no go sing one place. We can't get one pastor where they follow them Chris. Odumeje. If that one come here, hey boy, I'm the lion chef. Who you are you from? You call it, hey boy. I'm not a comedian. Where I like that when he speak one English, can't correct himself. For example now, I'm not a comedian. Hey, comedians quoi? Hey, comedians. Le peu la mande is power. Le face pareil is power. I'm the Indaboski. All of us don't join court, we don't know. The craziest of them on a Portable. Like if you come this one now, look at M.O.P. You there, right? And then they got there. Guide me, come down, sound up. Man, come down, they give me 2 minutes. Oh, this guy here. I will say Portable, they big brother. Now that the big brother will come outside. You go here, Portable. Report to the diary. Yeah. Portable, na only get police come arrest, they're sick. They say bring him to the station. He said, "You arrest me for Sango. You know what I mean?" Portable get 15 album. You don't remember lyrics. If you come here now, you go here. M.O.P. He dey sing. I know waiting. I do. You go collect who go help? And I can use everything they trend. Last week, they put him as wanted. He talk again. I'm not a criminal. I'm wanted. Brother, right? Everybody went there know my story as a comedian. I went from grass to grace. People pray for me. But I know Ejibo. Yes, now my former tenants with that. I used to stay with my parents, but now my parents. And you can say, I get people who pray for me. Tell me, say, Kenny Black, if you keep doing what you are doing, people will call you. People like AY pray for me. I know they say amen to every prayer. When I saw my landlord pray for my cousin, say you are going places. Till today, we don't know where the guy did. The guy just walk up and down. I say, where you did? He said, I did places, but no get address. But when they pray for me, somebody pray for me, say, Kenny Black, president will call you. Ha! I say, amen. I've been opportunity to speak to 2 presidents. The only president I want to follow talk. Now, Donald Trump, because I know the year waiting they talk. I'm going to make America great again. When I make America great again, Joe Biden is not going to win. Everybody know, we know that everybody Nigerians are coming home. Yes, they are coming home, they're coming home. But when he prayed for me, say, President will call you, very distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, 2019, Buhari flashed me. I call him back. I didn't fear you. When I go hear his voice, that man has the calmest voice. I just hear, hold on for the president. Hey, how are you? When did that speed work right here? I said, what am I going to do? He said, what do you we can come with Boo-Boo. I caught the call. I do event. 2 days ago, Tinubu called me. Chakaban. That man's voice sexy. As I hear hold on for the praise, I just hear, as I crack this joke, I see prison. So I see the video everybody. I don't think go jail, go a day, and they come, tell him I said, who is this? He said, what do I do when I'm ready to make a comedy? I said, tell you this. He said, can you do a town hall? Different from. All of us don't die like this.
Wow. Bros R&D. Forever living products. That the man young now. You know, say, get away with me and bros go stand now. Say, if girls go full and leave me. See them. They play. When I don't go fit athlete role, I walk up pass. Bros, they fresh every day. See, RMD now. I'm not in age. Fresh man. They tell them, she went to go remove hand for batting. They know they hear. When you do normal thing, your mind go day everywhere go, you know. Lagos just hard anyhow. Traffic everywhere. You go wake up, order for breakfast. You go arrive as lunch. Go give girl money for Uber. She go enter halfway, trek halfway. I go outside, go carry Stella. Her leg they dusty. You go play ball. Me no one lost so. They suffer the serious. My family members there, they can't. I mean, man, so far full everywhere. Guess now, all those girls where they say Team Natural, I go ask what cream do you rub? You go say I don't rub anything. No. Now, I know the thing God do for now. To buy girls cream now, you guys be criminal. Bro, it's crazy. I'm always hot, my bro. Check my records, bro. You understand me now? Moscow boys. I don't spoil Moscow. Come back to Nigeria. Wanna go on a cool place. That's my guy, DJ Constant, ladies and gentlemen. Big boy. Baba girls too, they follow suffer this thing though. Girl go chop corn and pear, post them, come they say craving satisfied. You get another food. Show us spaghetti when you don't feel like a job. They craving satisfied. Everybody they go through a lot, Baba. Nigeria we get we no get work, we say I'm craving vacation. Now vacation you dey, you no get work. Where you won't go? No get work, you dey crave vacation. And boys go they dodge, they say why they find better girl where they train well. Now so my guy dodge, go date girl way. Now so now. You know before comedy, who be that our Nigerian keeper? I dey catch, Baba. The guy dodge, say they find better girl. Now so he go begin date Assemblies of God choir. The girl still bill last week, say she won't buy Bible. You cannot run away from it. You know fit escape billing, bruh. Here go want to birthday, go say you want to do charity. Come carry list of charity, give your boyfriend. Charity now your money you go use. Your boyfriend doesn't feel like to do charity. Now everybody want to do birthday for motherless babies home. Everybody mother. Do you know that currently now as I speak to you, motherless babies home get food, pass me and you get mother. But all these girls, it go there easy if comedians they laugh, they nothing. Even Bros Julius know what in I see for your last crack your ribs. So boy, they promise me. You see the way they do for this for nothing about the beggar for hotel. Wanna come. This thing where this new governor they do, he good. I tell for GRO, he said go buy my table. Nah, where then? Baba, I touch everybody, baby.
As music they trend around the world now. Now we can say we can don't close to Tinubu and we just say, Your Excellency, Your Excellency. I'm not telling you about how you know that do here. I'm not telling you anything here. Your Excellency, look up on the there is the music. How do these people know me? It is because of my music. My music. Your Excellency, if you want to win this next election, you have to do music. Look at me, I have a band. Yendeba. Even if people know my song, let me try it. As we dey sweet us, as we dey. So Your Excellency, you have to drop a music. To know me way black. I don't know how to do it. I've never done a song before. So how am I going to sing it? They say, Your Excellency, I will arrange my band. My band and you will compose the song. Eventually in River State. When we get there, we will shock them. I will be the MC. Our next election, we just see we can just come. Hey, everybody, settle down. You are shaking your head. You think I'm going to shaking your head. I'm shaking your head. You think I'm going to look at that. I'm bringing on stage our president. But I bet you know. You can call him Jaga. Band, music. Just come. Follow. We are paid for it. Back up.
Jagabon, they call me Jagabon one day. Jagabon, they call me Jagabon one day.
He go come give his speech. You are going to jail with me in a town hall different from Falafel. My administration is going to make everybody here give a subtraction and not information. Two, not just
let the poor breathe.
Don't support them.
Let the poor breathe.
We have no responsibility.
Let the poor breathe.
People ask you what I will do when I get back to office. I'm delighted to tell you, I'm a big one. First day in office.
First week in office.
Yes.
Hit the ground running.
Second week in office.
Hit the ground running.
Third week in office.
Hit the ground running.
Enjoy your weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, wow, that's my time. I hope
Look at that. Bonus, calm down, bro. Why are you not even supposed to do this area? You're supposed to just be outside. If anybody carry them one thief, bro. My advice I fit you. Bro, no. See, I don't know whether next year we'll go to that. Anyway, we'll just do this. But all these girls, it go there easy if comedians they laugh, they know even Bros Julius know what in I see for your last crack your ribs. So boy, they promise me, oh. You see the way they do for this market. Nothing about the beggar for hotel. Wanna come. This thing where this new governor they do, it good. I say for GRO, he say go buy my table. Nah, where then? Baba, I touch everybody, baby. So my advice with girls, yeah, when I know they stress boys too much. As you dey here, you find girl, me and you know say you get more than 6 girlfriends for this Lagos. If you get problem, you won't buy iPhone 6. Add all your boyfriend them for one WhatsApp group. Introduce them to each other. After all, they don't catch you, now you open up. Mike, meet Emeka, meet Chinelo, meet I'm your girlfriend. When they remember how you treat them, they don't go break, then go contribute money, buy you iPhone 6. No, they stress one person. Bandwagon everywhere. Get the one to birthday, go say you want to do charity. Come carry list of charity, give your boyfriend. Charity now your money you go use. Your boyfriend doesn't feel like to do charity. Now everybody want to do birthday for motherless babies home. Everybody mother. Do you know that currently now as I speak to you, motherless babies home get food, pass me and you get mother.
M.O.P. Laughing Store.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.